In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the February gold contract, gold did finish the day positive today, but not before making new lows for 2021. Gold actually reversed from printing the lowest price of 2021 before turning positive on the day, getting all the way down to 1,880 cents. We haven't been that low since December 1st of 2020. That was down 1.59%, but we did end up finishing the day up about 0.5%, a little bit more than 0.5% at about 1840 and change. The high today was about 1845, and that was up about 83 basis points. The Janet Yellen hearing today was really the turning point for gold. In her nomination hearing for Treasury Secretary, she urged lawmakers to act big in her earlier prepared remarks, the remarks she read before the hearing committee. Ms. Yellen was referring to averting a protracted economic downturn, and she was not concerned about mounting national debt. And I quote, "Economists don't always agree, but I think there is a consensus now. Without further action, we risk a longer, more painful recession now and long-term scarring of the economy later." She talked about interest rates being at historic lows, making debt more affordable, and that gave gold the idea that there might be some coming inflation, and that kind of provided some short covering, or the basis for some short covering that took gold off those lows and that reversal that I just discussed. Now, there's also some seasonality at play. I mentioned it last week, but the end of January, basically the last week and a half to 2 weeks of January, is typically a pretty strong seasonal time for the precious metal. Now, seasonalities are not something to trade on in and of themselves, but they are something to keep an eye on, and it is present in the last couple of weeks of January. There should be a little bit of a seasonal tailwind for gold.